Everyone, it's me again, Mr. Erik. Today we're going to talk about writing practice. This is a writing practice about reading time in the bathroom. We are going to learn some new words about the things you see in your bathroom. Don't be shy. Please open your mouth and repeat after me. Let's get started. Part 1. Vocabulary. Poster. Poster. Clock. Clock. Was. Was. Photograph. Photograph. Window frame. Window frame. Computer set. Computer set. Wooden stool. Wooden stool. Wood flooring plank. Wood flooring plank. Wall. Wall. Bathroom cupboard. Bathroom cupboard. Bed frame. Bed frame. Pillow. Pillow. Bed. Bed. Bed sheet. Bed sheet. Skateboard. Skateboard. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet to practice your writing skill. You can find the link in the description box. Part 2. Choose the right words. Please pause the video and start doing the paper now. Please have a try before you continue watching the video. Now you have done. Please check your answer with me. Number 1. In the bathroom. Number 2. Clock. Number 3. Wall. Number 4. Window frame. Number 5. Computer set. Number 6. Wooden stool. Number 7. Wood flooring plank. Number 8. Skateboard. Number 9. Bed sheet. Number 10. Pillow. Number 11. Bed frame. Number 12. Bathroom cupboard. Number 13. Poster. Part 3. Completing sentences. We have done the vocabulary part. Now it's time for us to practice the writing by using the words that we have learned. If you need more time to revise for the words that you have learned, you can pause the video and start it again. Please pause the video and start doing the paper now before you continue watching the video to check the answer. Now you have done. Please check the answer. Number 1. What can you see? We can see a boy. What's the name? What's the boy's name? Jack. So we see Jack. One boy, Jack, is. Where is Jack? Jack is in the bathroom. Number 2. What do you see on the wall? We can see a red clock. A clock. Can you see what time is it? It is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the evening. It's evening now. 3 o'clock. Number 3. A boy, Jack. A boy, Jack, he is. One boy is. What is he doing? He is reading a book. Number 4. He has. One person has. What does he have? He has a computer set. A set of computer. Can you see where is the computer set? Oh, the computer set is on the table. He has a set of computer on the table. Number 5. What do you see? I see trophy. Trophy. You get number 1 in the competition. You get a trophy. Where is the trophy? Between the computer set and the ball. You can see a golden trophy is between the set computer and the ball. Number 6. What do you see? You can see one skateboard. What color is the skateboard? A red color skateboard. Where is the skateboard? Under the bed. There is a red skateboard under the bed. Number 7. What do you see now? You see something brown. What's that? It's a teddy bear. One teddy bear is in front of the guitar. Number 8. What do you see? We see a vase and a photograph. Where is the vase and photograph? They are on the bathroom carpet. If you like this video, you can share this video with your friends and family and let them know more about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel too to improve your writing skill and to get more free English lessons every week. See you soon. Bye.